All right, guys, so you just connect the positive to the positive and negative to the negative. So red positive, black negative. So we're going to go ahead and plug this in here once we have it connected. Hello everyone, welcome back to another review. Today we're taking a look at the 6000 peak amp battery jumper. Now this is going to be able to jump some very high powered vehicles, some big motor vehicles. Let's go ahead and unbox it, show you guys what you get. But this is definitely going to work great for heavy duty diesels or big V8s, and of course anything lower. So when it says 6000, a lot of people think, oh, we have to have a bigger vehicle for it. No, it's just it can handle up to 6000 peak amps, which can handle bigger motors, bigger batteries. All right guys, it comes in this really nice hard protective case, which is awesome. Okay, my friends, they give you a 2-prong outlet power plug, a Type-C USB cable, and you can connect them together into your wall for charging your jump starter. This is your alligator clamp setup, manual, warranty, and this is the unit. Okay, so let's go over a couple things here. If you connect it wrong, this red's gonna light up and it's gonna say reverse. Disconnect your alligator clamps instantly as soon as you can if that blinks red, if that says reverse. It will light up correct if you have it correct. So there's the reverse, there's the correct. Now boost mode, a lot of people don't understand what boost is for. Boost is only for if your battery is dead. If you have a dead battery and it's been dead for a while, what you would do is you connect your red positive, so your alligator clamp, red positive to your positive terminal on your battery under your hood. So red goes with red, which is red is plus, black is minus, which is negative. That goes on your negative terminal of your battery. Once you have that done, you can plug this in, and it doesn't matter, you can have this plugged into your jump starter right up here first. Actually, I probably recommend having this connected to there first. That way it's already set and done. And then connect your alligator clamps. Once you do that, you would then press and hold, and once it shows correct, of course, press and hold the boost button. And just press and hold it for, I think it's like 5-6 seconds. It might even light up a bunch of different lights right through here. Once you do that, then you're good to go to start your vehicle. If you don't have a dead battery, you just have a weak battery, or it just died, then you don't have to use the boost mode. You can just plug this in to here, to your terminals, and start your vehicle just like that. If you press the power button, you can see your battery level on here. This also has a 12-volt cigarette outlet on here as well, so you can charge stuff or use it with that. You also have a light on there as well, 2 USB ports, which are used for charging tablets, phones, and other devices, a Type-C port, which can charge devices, or it can charge this power bank. I recommend you fully charge it before you first use it. And that's it. All right guys, so you just connect the positive to the positive and negative to the negative. So red positive, black negative. So we're going to go ahead and plug this in here once we have it connected.